I'm Dave Farnsworth. I'm a family medicine physician. I grew up as the son of a pediatrician. My dad was my doctor growing up, and he and his partners. So my brothers and I, having experienced many injuries, got to see their pediatric clinic and got to see what he did. I also really loved animals, and I thought for a while I wanted to be a veterinarian, but when I was at BYU, I really found physiology and physics and biology very interesting subjects, and I knew that science and human medicine was really my passion. Before working at Tanner Clinic, I was an Air Force physician for about 12 years total. I joined the Air Force when I got accepted to Georgetown University in Washington, D.C., and thought it would be a great experience to serve my country and to learn medicine at the same time. After being in Georgetown, I went to St. Louis for 3 years, where I attended a family medicine residency that was a combined civilian and military residency. From there, my family and I got the opportunity to live overseas and serve in the military overseas. And I spent the next 7 years living in 3 different countries. First off, we moved to northern Japan, in Misawa, Japan, where we worked in a family medicine clinic, a multi-specialty clinic there for 3 years. Near the end of my time there, back in 2011, in the middle of taking care of a patient, we experienced a very large earthquake, and I huddled with their children in the doorway and got the patient off the exam table where I'd just finished a procedure, and immediately as the earthquake ceased, we evacuated the hospital and had to care for patients out in a parking lot for the next few hours. I think that will always stand out to me as just an interesting thing that can happen in medicine. You never know what can happen. You just have to be ready to provide good care no matter the circumstance. Then we went to Korea for a year, which was an adventure. And from there we went to Germany for 3 years and lived on the border of the Netherlands, where my children went to school. I had the opportunity there to be the medical director of a clinic with a lab and a pharmacy and a radiology department. From there I came and moved to Hill Air Force Base, and while I was at Hill I began looking for job opportunities outside the Air Force and found Tanner Clinic. And it's been a wonderful experience since then, working here at the Syracuse Clinic with all the great providers and techs and folks out here.